Hi guys, Odeyemi Akinyemi remain my name. In this trading system, I will be updating you about the updates in order to catch good trend. I'm trading just the boom 1000 and the crash 1000. How do I trade it? I put boom 1000 to 10-minute time frame. 10-minute time frame. Here on the time frame here, select minute, I put it on 10. You might use 5, you might use 15. I'm using 10. So boom 1000, crash 1000, 10 minutes. Then boom 1000 again on 5 minutes, crash 1000 on 5 minutes. How do I trade it? I only had a trade this morning. The trade was on crash 1000. On crash, I only trade uptrend. Remember, crash, you only trade up. Then on boom, you only trade down. How do I trade? Good. Now look at the setup here. You can see the pop-up here. This pop-up was on boom 1000 on 10 minutes time frame. The pop-up, the candle was already in between the two moving averages. It has already denoted down movement. Then look at the filter below. It was already red. Okay. Then let's go to at what time. This was actually 220, 325, right? Good. Then let's go to boom 1000 on 5-minute time frame. At this very time, the time is 220, 220, boom 1000. So let's go to 220. Here, you can see the pop-up here. The same time here. Now you can see that on 5-minute time frame, there was already a crossover or almost a crossover. It was a clearly down trend. So it made me to be able to enter the pop-up here. It has already denoted down, traded one candle. I really don't want to take much risk, trade one candle. Then another pop-up, good. A pop-up. Here, uptrend on 5-minute time frame. But I'm not going to trade this. Why am I not going to trade? Because the pop-up is actually below the moving averages. Though the filter said uptrend, but I'm still not going to trade because pop-up, the trend is below what? It was below the moving averages. Okay, this is 5-minute time frame because this is crash. We are trading up. The best time to trade on crash when you are trading up is to trade above the moving averages. Now, look at the first one, another candle, because we are trading just one candle. One, one, it must be above. Okay, clearly seen. Now, this pop up here, remember it's on crash 1000. Let's go to crash 1000 here. This is the crash 1000. This is the crash 1000 here. Though the uptrend is just getting up here, and it is still clearly below the what, the moving averages. So you are not going to be trading now. You can only trade this type of signal. Look at it here, and that one here. The when it is clearly seen, the better for you. This was lost, uptrend lost because it retrended, it retraced a little bit. So this would have been is clearly one, because on 5 minutes time frame it would have been above. So I use that. I hope you can see all this. These were clearly one trades. So it's a very simple trading system, and on Boom 1000 we are trading call. On Boom 1000 we are trading sell. That is why this would have been one also. One, one, all you need is patience. Trade along with the trend. Okay, I wouldn't want to take risk to be trading down continuously. No, because a spike will just take you off. I don't want to talk about catching the spike or how to trade the spike. Occasionally, I do trade the spike and it's been very good, but I'm not going to be teaching or telling you guys how to trade the spike. Follow the trend. Don't be greedy. You'll be successful just the same way I am. With this one here, the magenta color here, or the big arrow here. So you will also trade the big arrow here, this big arrow here. Simple. Imagine the number of trades you would have had. So I'll be telling my programmer to adjust the EA with this setup, just the way it is with the filter, just the way it is like this. I will tell my programmer to adjust the EA to work this way. I have an EA right with him now. I have not been able to get it out for him. It's very expensive. I just have to let it be while I'm trading manually. It makes no sense getting the EA when I can trade manually. Because anyway, let me just leave it that way. There's nothing to talk about it. Okay, everything here. So it's just a little trading system that keeps you on the winning side most of the time. Please, this is not 100% trading system, but if you can follow the simple rule, you make most of your trade just by going through this video alone and the illustration here. You will make most of your trades. Most of your trades. Okay. So I remain your boy, Odeyemi Akinyemi. Thank you. I removed the magenta MA, the big MA, so that I'll be able to cash most of the trades. Hence, most of the trades wins. There is no need of me keeping back myself from making most of the trade. I had to remove the EMA. No, it wasn't EMA. The moving average 100. It was set to linear weighted. Yeah. So I removed it. If you still want to put it, no problem. But this is how I'll be trading it now. What I do is I haven't opened this for window. I clicked on the arrange window as non-overlapping tiles. You might not understand what that means. When you click, there is a box above your window that is like a window for side by side, four windows box. When you put your cursor on it, you can see what is written. Arrange windows as non-overlapping tiles. When you click on it, it puts all your four open windows side by side. You can view everything at the same time. Now imagine if you had not taken just one candle, the crash would have taken you off just one candle and you will be safe. But remember I told you I didn't take this trade because it was below the trend, which means crash was imminent. Spike was imminent, and it actually happened. But I wouldn't want to talk about catching the spike now. I will leave that to some other day. Once again, Odeyemi Akinyemi will always remain my name. This is how I do my thing. Thank you and God bless you.